Hi, I'm David from Callsheet, and today let's talk about the order book. The order book is a tool that informs you where market participants have open resting orders. So to go into a bit more detail, let's discuss the S&P 500 yearly close market as an example, and let's analyze the 4,900 to 5,099.99 cents strike specifically. So to view the order book for a specific strike, just go ahead and click in. If you're in the graph view, toggle to the order book view. The order book view should be the default view. And then, as you can see, the order book is divided into a yes side and a no side. And as you can see, each respective yes or no side is organized by bids and asks. So what is a bid and what's an ask? A bid is the highest price that a market participant is willing to pay for a yes or a no contract. And an ask is the lowest price that a market participant is willing to sell a yes or a no contract at, right? So as you can see here on the yes side, the lowest ask, 17 cents, signifies that the lowest price a market participant is willing to sell a yes contract at is 17 cents, and the quantity of contracts being offered at this price point is 360. This is true on the no side as well, right? So the lowest ask is 86 cents, meaning the lowest price a market participant is willing to sell a no contract at right now is 86 cents, and there are 994 contracts available at this price point. In the bids, right, as we said before, a bid is the highest price a market participant is willing to buy, right, a yes or no contract at. This signifies that the highest price a market participant is willing to buy a yes contract at is 14 cents. And the highest price a market participant is willing to buy a no contract at is 83 cents. So what's very, very neat about the order book is it's actually very quick and convenient to place trades from the order book. So why is that? So as I said in the beginning of the video, the order book shows you where other market participants have open resting orders, right? So if, let's say, you'd like to buy right yes shares in this example, we can go ahead and just go over to the yes side and say, oh, awesome, somebody is offering, or it could be multiple, so not somebody, right? Market participants are offering 360 yes contracts at 17 cents, right? So those are open resting orders that you can go ahead and take the other side of, and create a trade with, right? So let's say we're interested in trading yes, but we can just go over and say, okay, the lowest price somebody's willing to sell yes contracts at, 360 of them to be exact, is 17 cents. And right, if you'd like to place a trade on the yes side, all you have to do is click right there. Super convenient. Is the order panel in your top right corner automatically populates with that lowest ask price that we just clicked into there. And all you have to do is specify the quantity of contracts you'd like to purchase. So let's say you'd like to just purchase 120, right? What we can do is go ahead and just submit the order, and boom, right next to, not right next to you, right underneath the strike there, you see that your position was confirmed. You have now 120 shares of yes at 17 cents. And this could work on the no side as well, right? If you wanted to buy no, you just go over to that lowest ask price, right? And if you'd like to buy 100 contracts, right? Very, very much the same process. One last thing I'd like to really spotlight is the information modal that pops up right there in the order book. So this gives you a refresher on what a bid is, what an ask is, something you can reference if you forget what you learned in this video. One thing I really like to spotlight is the different views that are possible in the order book. So what I've been going over in this video is the traditional view that organizes the yes and the no side of the order book in terms of bids and asks. There's also a view where you can just see sell interactions, and then there's two other views, a taker view or a maker view. Respectively, the taker view puts a greater emphasis on asks, and a maker view puts a greater emphasis just on bids. And what's really neat about this model is it tells you different use cases for each one. So I'm not going to go into order types, there's a separate video for that. But if you're somebody who mainly places quick orders, right, the taker view will be better for you. If you're somebody who likes providing liquidity, likes placing a lot of limit orders, use the maker view, which puts a greater emphasis on bids. And to actually toggle that, you can just click the settings modal here and toggle from maker, taker to traditional. One last thing is the full order book view, which will show you all price points in the order book, even if they don't have any quantity of resting orders available. So hope this was helpful, and happy trading.